Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. Today I'm going to talk about one of the latest webcams in the market. This is the brand new Obsbot Tiny. It's a AI tracking webcam. As you can see, it's still sealed in the box. I'm going to do a quick unboxing right now. It's available at the Obsbot website, Amazon, and some sellers in Shopee too. So do check out the link at the description. So as you can see here, you have the remote control for Obsbot Tiny. This is the magnetic mount, and this is it. So this is the Obsbot Tiny. So this is priced at $200 US. The unique point about this Obsbot Tiny is it is AI tracking. It got 3 focus mode, and it has a very good performance in low light. So without ado, let's open this. This runs on full HD. It's quite big and solid. As you can see, it actually can turn. Let's see what's inside the box. That's a magnetic base, and then here is the cable. So this is the Type-C cable, and then this should be the base. So here you can actually clamp on your monitor, laptop. Let's do that. So now I'm going to show you whether it actually can mount on the laptop. As you can see, it can, and this is a bit heavy, and it actually works. It works on the laptop, and of course it works on the monitor. So this is like really handy when you're having a laptop and moving around. Now let's try the resolution of this. Okay, let's start. So the video and the audio that you're watching right now, it's from the Obsbot Tiny webcam. I'm not using my Blue Yeti audio. So this is the audio quality and the video quality you expect from the Obsbot Tiny webcam. It's a very easy to use webcam. You just need to install the app. The software, it's really simple. You have the AI tracking, you just need to lock it. There's 3 tracking mode. Headroom, I'm using headroom now, normal and motion. Okay, I've tried 3 versions of tracking mode. Motion is the best. So you can actually zoom. This is 1.2x to 2x. Okay, and I'm going to zoom back. Now let's check out how good is this AI tracking using the motion mode. So as you can see, when I move around, it follows. And you might be asking, why do you need a webcam that follows you? So this is good when you're doing a presentation, especially when you're a lecturer, or even you are showing something to your colleague, or there's a presentation you want to show. Especially if you are a dance instructor, you're dancing, you need the webcam to follow you. There are many expensive webcams out there, but most of them are static. So this actually follows you. During this time, everyone is mostly on video call, and this is the reason why you're looking at one of the best AI tracking webcam in the market right now. So this is the key feature of the Obsbot Tiny webcam. So it follows me. Yeah. Mind my messy home. It actually follows me around. This actually works. Oh, the other key feature is the low light performance. Let's try. So I've switched off my downlight. It's early in the morning right now, and it's quite dark inside, but you still can see my face, and the AI still track the motion. So that's really important, rather than a lot of webcam claim how good it is and how good it's not. But at the end of the day, is you are looking at the result of the low light performance of the Obsbot Tiny webcam. So now let's switch on the light again. So this is just pure downlight. There's no studio light, there's no LED lights, you know. This is like a normal home setup. The most important part is the AI tracking works, the low light performance works, the HD video quality, and noise cancelling audio. Okay, this entire clip is captured with Obsbot Tiny webcam. So if you're interested in getting the Obsbot Tiny, it is available in many online platforms including Amazon, Shopee, and on their official website. So please do check out the links at the description. If you have any question about this Obsbot Tiny, please do comment. I hope you learned something about the Obsbot Tiny in this video. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button. We'll be doing more product reviews, food reviews, and travel reviews. During this time, please take care of yourself and be safe. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Obsbot Tiny, and see ya.